What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you know that I don't like to go through only my predictions because my predictions are what I feel is going to happen to the position based on what I see in the news and based on what I see that's going to happen for the overall community. And what I see from my position, because I'm holding, Shiba Inu. I love Shiba Inu. I want to see it thrive. But sometimes you have a bias, right? Where you are searching for certain things and you search for trigger words, and those trigger words will give you what you want to hear, what you want to read, what you want to see. But I feel like we need to get an understanding everywhere and understand what some experts may believe, what others may believe, and just get opinions across the board just to give us a sense on where it will actually go. So I'm going to go through another price prediction article here while also giving you some information of where Shiba Inu is at the current moment, at the current stage, and while also giving you my opinion at the end. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, definitely check out Shiba Inu, and I think if you guys want to check out the articles that I have here, I'll see if I can post them down below, but you probably could find them by the name of the article, so just type it in. If you can't have it or click on the link down below, you should be able to search for it as well. So guys, anyway, Shiba Inu is again at the drop zero level, or sorry, not at the drop zero level, at the added zero level, seeing it at 5 zeros and an 8, up or down about 2% today, and seeing it about a $4.7 billion market cap with $150+ million in volume. Just to give you an update on where things are. Circulating supply is probably the most important piece, with 589 trillion total coins that we need to find a way to burn off and find a way to decrease that. And we will. I believe we will find a way to decrease it. It's just whether we'll decrease it to single-digit trillions or decrease it to, billions, hundreds of billions, tens of billions, whatever. We want to see a decrease nonetheless. Now, my last video, I talked about the burns that have been happening recently. We see about 356 million burns, 356 million coins that are burned. About 512% increase over the last day. Phenomenal. Seeing a decent sized burn in the last 25 minutes. Majority of that burn has come from this one transaction. We'll figure that out and exactly where that came from, maybe in a short period of time. But Shibarium has reported that on Twitter and on their website. But this is the article that I wanted to go through a little bit. So this was from August 4th, 2023, just to kind of get a sense of where they believed it was going to go and then give you my opinion on exactly what we are seeing here. So SHIB price prediction: can SHIB upgrade drive Shiba Inu price to 1 penny? Now, experts believe that Shibarium gains popularity and enhances the blockchain. SHIB's value may rise, possibly reaching 1 cent or more, though skepticism remains due to the vast number of tokens in circulation. And we all know that the circulating supply is the most important piece for that overall vision, that goal of 1 cent that we want to see it get to. Because even holding what you are holding, right, maybe $2,000 worth or whatever, maybe 200 million or 100 million coins that you have, and getting to a penny would give you $1 million or so. So Shiba Inu coin surging upwards, driven by the excitement among meme coin fans for the upcoming Shibarium upgrade. Shibarium is new and innovative and improvement to its blockchain, planned to release in August, which it already has. This upgrade aims to fix the current issue and slow transaction network congestions, making the SHIB coin even better. Now, SHIB's coin price to hit 1 penny. Investors eagerly waiting for this upgrade, and experts have shared their thoughts on how it could affect SHIB's price. But what made them set their target to 1 penny in the current market? Do you see the surge by the end of August? Well, we are at the end of August. We are not seeing that surge, and there's a main reason to why that is happening. And again, we will get into that. And this is all information as to what they believed. And I always like to go back to look at this type of stuff, because if you do, then you understand where their thought process is. And if they were wrong by saying that, or if there was something else, some other let's say, higher power or higher piece to this that really had a larger impact to the overall market or to Shiba Inu itself. Assuming SHIB surged to the Shibarium possible, but expecting it to reach 1 cent is seems doubtful because there are so many tokens around. Unless the number of tokens goes down a lot, having each token worth 1 cent would make the total value really high, which doesn't make sense. But if Shibarium launch goes well, which it didn't, SHIB could become more popular cryptocurrency, getting used more on its network. And that's another big piece to it, is the use that we could see through Shibarium, through just that use there, but then also others as well. But experts claim it's possible with only if. John Mary, the CEO of Moneyzen.com, explained that Shibarium will make it easier to use SHIB coins and help developers create new projects. He believes that Shibarium becomes very popular. If Shibarium becomes very popular, SHIB's value could rise possibly even to 1 cent or even more. For him, the only sentiment that works right now is as long as Shibarium is used, SHIB will profit. That's very true. I think SHIB will have a benefit from it no matter what, but it's just what has happened during that launch and what now we're expecting to happen during this relaunch, we're not necessarily seeing. And there's one blaring detail to why this isn't happening here. And as they go through, you talk about the SHIB upgrades and how you can have an increased adoption and all of that stuff there. So any change in SHIB prices, right now the SHIB price is around 0.05 zeros and an 8, which it currently is back to that point. And let's see, an increase of about 300 million of its total value. However, compared to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, SHIB's gains this year are not as big because they have decreased quite a bit. So overall, all the experts share similar sentiments that the Shibarium upgrade is a big deal for SHIB coin, and it could make using SHIB easier, attract more users. If all goes well, SHIB's value might go up to possibly reaching 1 cent or more, maybe or more. Let's leave it at 1 cent for right now. Many experts and even Google's AI chatbot, Google Bard, and it's seeing Shibarium as a key factor in predicting SHIB's future price. Absolutely. So where does my head go with this, right? Why am I bringing all this stuff up now when you're getting what has happened already and you understand what has happened already? Because it still does show what has the biggest impact to a position. It's not what they are developing right now. For the stock market, that may be something, right? Anything that's brand new that could create a higher price, movement for the stock is based off of what it could do for the business. For Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, we're not seeing that. We've seen the same thing with XRP. We've seen the same thing with Ethereum. We've seen the same thing with Litecoin. We've seen the same thing with so many other positions that have had very, very big news that can impact the entire crypto market, but hasn't had that impact on the entire crypto market or even the position itself, right? Even though Ethereum has created a higher floor for itself, it did not create that overall push to where Ethereum takes over. XRP, it created a higher price for itself and a higher price floor for itself, but all of a sudden right now it's back down to 50 cents, which was the level that it was at before, prior to getting the news of not being labeled as security. Litecoin having a halving, which is a big deal in the crypto space, and not seeing that type of a large impact to the overall position, as well as other positions that move simultaneously with it. And then Shiba Inu, seeing the Shibarium launch and maybe seeing some issues there and seeing that pull back because of that, but then also seeing it pull back because of what the market is doing. So ultimately, can it get to 1 cent? Is 1 cent a reality? 1 cent is more of a dream for Shiba Inu because we need to see those burns happen. It depends on a lot. It depends on having a sound method to burn a ton of Shiba Inu, at which we're burning a decent amount. It's just not a ton, right? We need to see percentages come off, and we're not seeing that. So anyways, guys, let me know what you're thinking about this, right? Does this all come full circle and you get this information to understand how the impact actually is for a lot of these things? Are these experts right? What's your opinion for this? Just let me know anything you have in the comment section below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.